Good morning, everyone. This is Lady T, ZCD, coming back at you with a video. Now, in this video, I wanted to share my coffee bar. This is my coffee, well, I would say my coffee station. This is the area in my kitchen that I have set up in this corner just for coffee, tea, and sometimes in the winter, of course, in the winter time, we have hot chocolate as well. So as y'all know, we all are in the house. We are enjoying our quarantine. Yes, I'm saying that so I can stay positive in my mind mentally just for me. And so I've been going around the house trying to decorate, challenge myself as I always do, to try to decorate with what I have in the house already by moving things around, staging different vignettes, and just occupying my mind with decor and home decorating, which is something I really, really love. And surprisingly, you guys, it is so much fun. And let's get into this video. Okay, so right here, as you can see to my left, I'm going to step right in a little bit closer. I was just getting ready to make me some tea or coffee, and I said, let me just go ahead and share this area. So this is where I keep all my teas. I have different type of teas. Most of the teas I use or drink, or they have that probiotic in the tea, so it helps with your digestive system, and they are caffeine free. And that brand is called I'm sure you guys seen it in Kroger. That brand is called Bungalow Tea. That's a brand that I use. And with the upcoming Easter coming, I thought I'd go ahead on and pull out my bunnies and kind of incorporate them over here, this large one anyway, over here in this coffee and tea station or area, if you want to say. I went ahead and added the little black and white bow, as you can see here, that printed what is it called, checkered or either buffalo check print ribbon there. I got the ribbon from, I think, Hobby Lobby. And like I said, this is, excuse me, like I said, these are things that I already had, and I'm pulling together with the stuff I bought previously before the quarantine. Okay, and so I just started to get into the is it Ray Dunn? Yeah, I think that's the name. The print with the writing on the beautiful mugs, because I'm trying to do the you guys know I'm always trying to say I'm trying to do the farmhouse glam or modern look. And so I just started to get into those type of items. And I showed you guys on Instagram that survival cup. That was the first cup I picked up by itself individually. And I believe I got that at Home Goods. And then the set, his and hers, I picked up as a set in another trip to Home Goods, and they was only $12. So my plan was to get a collection. I did see them in black and white, which I really, really love. And I was gonna have 2 black and white cups in the back, but of course I'm not able to go back to shopping yet because everything is closed. So let's move right along. My son gave me this Keurig a couple of years back. I'm sure there are more updated models, but I love the red. Of course, even back then, I incorporated the red into the kitchen at that time. This was my first piece of red item or appliance I've ever had. So he gave me this a couple of years back for a birthday gift or maybe a Christmas gift. The tea, I already had the teacup. Y'all see these out everywhere, and I use this quite often. And like I said, I was just getting ready to start a cup already. As you can see, it's already on of tea this morning. So I just add some greenery. I just pulled some greenery from another area of the home and placed it underneath there. And yeah, just something simple, you guys. Nothing cluttery or, too much over here, because it gets crowded real quick. And that's a little cute little kitchen towel I placed there to just give it some ambiance of the color scheme that I'm going with and the theme that I'm going with in the kitchen. I'm sure y'all saw this in a haul. I did a haul and I brought that in. I think it was like $4 or something from Burlington. And of course, my beautiful apple that I got as well at Home Goods for $3.99. So yeah, just trying to bring in a little Easter, upcoming spring and Easter over here with my little nest egg. Got that way back from Hobby Lobby. So this is my coffee station. It's just enough for me and my family. Again, I don't have a lot of stuff over here, but it's very nice. It's clean. I keep it organized. I keep it wiped down and so forth. I'm gonna jump off, you guys. Thanks for watching this quick morning video. It's morning here. This quick morning video. Happy Tuesday. Stay positive. Stay prayed up. God saves, and he will save us as well through this quarantine. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Get ready to get me some coffee or tea. Y'all be blessed. Goodbye.